What the f is this?
You alright?
Ah!
What's up, BT gang? It's your girl Tasha back with another freaking banger, y'all. I know y'all read that title. I know y'all saw that thumbnail. I know that y'all know that your girl is about to get that ass. I'm gonna drop it in exactly like your girl did the hot sauce. We just gonna drop the whole bottle in, put the straw in, and get that ass. But before I get into it, I'm gonna need y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new on the road to 200K. So smash that subscribe button one time for your girl. Also make sure you smash that post notification bell so you can be in the building when we drop these live premieres. You don't wanna miss it, so smash that bell. You gotta make it go ring. Dig dug, hey, right, dig dug. Smash the bell, y'all, and post notification gang. Post notification shout outs go to Bianca, Nicole Williams, Colette Watson, Melov Beats, and Reese Smith. Thank y'all so much for showing us so much love down in the comment section below. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you would like a shout out in an upcoming video, just make sure your post notifications are set to on and you are hashtagging post notification gang down in the comment section below. Now let me tell you what your girl finna do. Look, y'all, so Brock been getting me with the hot, so we gonna switch it up a little bit. Your girl brought some soy sauce with her, right? And I got my infamous cup. So what I did was, I put some real water in here, right? It's real water, good water, so he can trust us, see? Real water. So we finna go run a few errands, and when he get out at one of his errands, I'm gonna go ahead and switch the water out for the whole bottle of soy sauce. I'm gonna drop it in exactly like your girl did the hot sauce. We just gonna drop the whole bottle in, put the straw in, and get that ass. Team Tasha down in the comment section below, because y'all know it's going to be a freaking banger, because your girl comes with nothing but freaking bangers, period. Okay, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we gonna get straight into it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What's up, baby?
Hey, babe.
You got ready fast, isn't it?
I know. I want to hurry up and get home so I can finish cooking.
So you're gonna
and I can enjoy the rest of my day.
and the rest of your day.
You cold?
Huh?
You cold?
A little bit more.
A little bit. I'm not cold. I was wondering if I'm having hot flashes.
You cold or you hot?
I'm hot.
You hot?
I'm not cold.
I mean, no, it's cool. You ain't warm. It ain't hot today, though. The hell wrong with you?
Oh, I'm ashy. Damn, I be talking about you. I'm ashy as hell right now.
Exactly.
I be talking about exactly.
Nah, you don't ever put no goddamn look.
You are
My little son is sunny.
It is sunny. I cannot find my straw to my cup.
Where'd she go?
You seen it? I don't know.
I don't fuck with you in that cup.
You want some water? It's water for real. I'm drinking it.
Let me see, bro.
It's cold. Don't hit this man.
Okay, I ain't gonna hit the man. Okay.
I told you it's water. You did not have to take my cup apart.
I'm just
like
saying,
that.
bro. You play.
Oh, so you don't trust your fiance?
Payback is a beat.
You don't trust your fiance?
Yeah, I ain't trying to get no baby.
You got your head on the swivel?
Mm-hmm.
Head on the swivel.
Oh, that's
Good, huh?
Cold and
Told
good.
you. I told you. Let me get some more.
Yeah, bro. Damn, look how they gonna park right there like that. If it was somebody else been in the car with me, shit, it's been the Clash of the Titans.
Oh!
Look, they're literally a Titan right there. That's a Nissan Titan. Ain't that about it?
Psychic.
Well, I'm psychic, man. What sign was psychic? The water signs?
I think the water sign, the Pisces was psychic.
I'm an air sign, though, player.
The water, it was the water, yeah.
I got a little bit of every. I got the best of every, all the
But that's how I feel about me. That's how I feel about me.
Stop this back push.
You want to get backwards first?
Hell yeah.
It's like the easiest thing.
I feel you, but my thing is, if I don't get them first, I'll forget them.
You right.
After all the shit we do, and go right home.
You'll be the one going right back out to get them.
Nah, y'all have to be going back out here. My legs don't work like that today.
What you mean?
My legs is working today, please.
I'm cooking a whole meal.
This
I
the
should
last
have to go
one.
do it.
So just because you cook dinner, you ain't got to do shit else?
I did a
smack
whole
the
bunch. I
Tasha.
cooked a good, wholesome dinner tonight.
Did you cook a good, wholesome breakfast?
You had some cereal, you good?
Ain't that a
You straight.
yeah, nigga. You ain't even make it for a nigga, though. You want anything? Oh,
That's how you gonna do me?
I'm just saying.
No, I don't want that.
You one task a day ass nigga. This nigga, yeah.
It's my thyroid. My thyroid be tripping.
Whatever. But them thighs
Love
be-
you.
them thighs be-
You know,
thighs
thick
be
thighs
thighs,
save
though.
lives. Let him get in the store, y'all. Cause Team Tasha, we got something for that. Yeah. Okay, your girl got the soy sauce. Got the soy sauce. Okay. Let me do this and stop playing because he only going in to get backwood, so he ain't gonna take long at all. Do I have to pour some of this water out? No. Okay, we're gonna put that right in there. Let me show y'all. We putting it straight in the cup. Straight in the cup, y'all. So the top. Hold on, let me get the straw in the hole. Oh shit. Okay, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay. Wait, I got a little bit. Wipe this off a little bit. Okay. No signs of soy sauce. Okay, we in there. Woo! He thought wasn't nothing in that cup. Team Tasha down in the comment section below because, yeah, y'all know what it is.
Eventually.
Act like nothing, y'all. Act like nothing.
Annie, are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie?
You've been hit. Look at it.
You've been hit by a
You've been hit by. No, it's a double right there. It's a double.
You've been hit by
You've been hit by
a smooth criminal.
I am not the damn drum.
Come on, man. We had the whole shit going, bro. Concert and everything. You gonna stop the concert for
There
that?
you go, drum on my
They was
head.
watching
Like
us
my
back-
head is just big like that. You gotta be fucked
That
up.
shit do like a drum set. What I do with the damn keys, bro?
Now look, he must work at Toyota with Ryan. I think that's Toyota.
You think so? Look, that nigga would not even get out the car. They was like, this nigga is crazy.
I can't get them a pack of beers
Yeah.
after work.
Wouldn't you?
Hell yeah. Alright, not beer. I ain't drinking no
That
beer.
ain't different, no.
I ain't cut like that. I can't do it.
Well, you really ain't cut at all.
Now, I'm super cut. Now, I am the cut.
Oh, you ready?
I am like Freddy.
Ready like Freddy? Look like you got a machete.
Look like I got a machete.
Yeah.
You've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth criminal.
Bam bam ba-da-dam bam, ba-da-dam bam, ba-da-dam bam bam bam.
That's good. You want some more?
Cheers.
That's a nice core.
Which one?
Little two, it looked like a race car. I don't know what.
Stop! I
Don't hit the man on the bike.
What the fuck is this?
You alright?
Ah!
You bleeding?
I bleed!
You good?
No, what is this? No. What the?
Let me take the-
Oh, you shit in that motherfucker house in this goddamn door! Tasha, did you shit that shit? Oh, no.
What's with you?
Did you shit in the motherfucker?
I shit.
Why is it? What the fuck is this? No, hell
What you
no.
got going on?
Tasha, what the fuck is that?
Is that halitosis? It'll turn into like the liquid in your mouth. And what happened? What's going on?
So you got the nerve to try to blame me
I mean,
just
who
because
else-
I didn't brush my teeth? The shit came out brown and shit. Come on, man. Come on.
I knew you didn't brush your teeth with your nasty ass. Look at you. You always making a mess. What you got going on?
Tasha, I'm gonna fuck your ass up, bro. What's
what
in
you
that
gonna
shit?
fuck me up for?
Why would you put that shit up in there like that, bro?
What and where? What and where?
I'm going back home. I'm taking your ass home.
What you do?
What you mean what I did? Shit. I drunk your goddamn shit you gave me. What the hell is your ass drinking?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Why is you drinking cat doo-doo and shit?
You got that shit everywhere. What is that,
I
baby?
was salted in the motherfucker, man. Come on, man. I need one real water.
Oh!
I need real water. I need real water. That's salty in the motherfucker.
It's salty?
Then the motherfucker, man. Come on, Tasha.
Is it seawater?
You got some real water in here?
Huh?
What you mean it's a seawater? Seawater ain't black like that? Tasha, do you have some real water in here?
For what? No, I just brought the water
Ask
that
me
I
again
made.
for what I swear to Tasha.
Here, this is the only water I got. This is the only water I got.
Here, drink the motherfucker.
I'm not drinking
Drink
it.
the motherfucker. Why is you putting
that.
doodle in the sheet? Come on, man. Come on, man.
What's wrong with it,
Come on, man.
babe?
I
It
swear to
looks
God.
like regular water.
If you
to me.
shit in that water and have me drink it, I'ma smack the shit out your
Why
ass.
I would not do. I'm not a nasty bitch like that. Like I would.
Do you
not
have
do
red
nothing
water?
that
Shit.
This is the only regular water I got.
Tasha, I can feel my
You done did a magic spell and turned it into some shit.
Tasha, I can feel my damn blood pressure
You tried to
rising.
poison me?
I can feel my blood pressure rising.
Oh!
Why is you so damn salty?
Not them ugly.
Shit. Oh, goddamn great. She play too much.
So what you do? What you had going on?
What I had going on? I'm about to smack the fuck out you, Tasha. Why is you playing around? Look at my... Come on, man. You done fucked up my whole... Man, come on, man.
It's black. You can't even tell.
Oh! It's yellow and white and black now.
It got a little spot. It look
Bro,
like a little polka
bro,
dot.
Tasha, what is
It's like
this in there?
polka dot
Open that
nuts.
shit up. Open that shit up, bro.
That's fly. You know the nigga wear polka dots now.
I'm finna smack your ass in the face with a
slap me
hand
with
full of
that
spit
hand.
and whatever the fuck you put in
What
there.
you said, you slapped me with that hand, Brock. We gonna be in the middle of this motherfucking street fighting.
Cool.
And that's on my mama.
Cool.
Stop playing.
Cool. Okay,
What you
give me
need?
the towel right there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Nasty.
Your ass my time. How am I nasty? Your ass.
Ah!
Why you hitting me? Why you hitting me?
I'm a
I'm gonna make you. What? Come here. Open that shit. Open that shit,
Move.
bro. Man, come on, man. You got the
do
whole
too
car
much.
smelling like that shit.
Well, now I smell like that
That's salty.
salty ass breath.
Come on, man. Come on, man. This shit smell like stir fry in this motherfucker.
Oh!
You trying to cook for dinner and shit, bro?
All you need is an egg. I should have scrambled the egg. You good?
No, I'm not good, man. Your ass play too much, bro.
Wait, why we here?
I told you that. I'm not going out looking like
You
this.
used me to go take your backwoods.
So I smell that shit.
You used me to go pick up your backwoods.
No, my nigga.
You
Smell this
switch
shit.
something and put something in there so you wouldn't have to go run the rest of the errands with me.
You. Then how the fuck you gonna have me going out looking like this then?
Looking like what? You look like
Smell
normal.
it. You talking about why am I going out?
You
This
smell like
stink.
normal, salty.
Bro, I need to change. Obviously, you playing around too goddamn much.
You smell salty than the motherfucker.
I smell salty to the motherfucker.
In the motherfucker. Oh!
You smell salty to the motherfucker too. Cause I two-pieced your ass.
Stop.
I'm about to rub this shit on your eyelids. I was playing around. Tasha, move. How you gonna try to fight me?
Don't try.
Now
Let
what?
me go.
Oh, hell no.
Why you
trying to get
let
loose?
me go?
Why you trying to get
Let
loose?
me
No,
go.
hell no. For what? No. Why you trying to get loose? Why you trying to get loose? Why you trying to get loose? How you gonna try to fight me and shit playing around? Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Fuck. I choke your ass out with this motherfucker. I'm not playing. How'd you hit? I don't understand your crazy ass. How'd you hit me?
Because you with me.
Watch out.
No, back up.
What the fuck did you put in here?
Okay.
Let this
Nigga,
shit go.
did you spit on me? Oh! You'll meet your motherfucking maker. You'll meet him today.
I'll meet my maker.
Today, right now. Just a little soy sauce. A little soy sauce. Mmm. Was it good? I should have threw a little rice up in there with it. Maybe a little chow mein. Couple pieces of beef and broccoli.
So you got the whole car spilling like PF Chang around this motherfucker? Gotcha, bitch.
Not PF Chang's. You stupid.
Bro, you got the whole...
You stupid. You do smell like PF Chang's like a motherfucker.
Come on. I'm finna sushi chef the shit out your ass as soon as we get home.
Cause Team Tasha did that.
I'm finna sushi chef the shit out your
Yeah,
ass.
they did. We did that.
I'm not finna go with you.
Yeah.
Just know that I got my backwoods out the shit. And I got drenched in
Okay, you all
be a
I
chain
didn't
sauce.
really need that shit anyway. I'll go tomorrow, nigga. I ain't tripping. It was a prank for me. Go ahead, pull in so I can get out and get comfortable on
So
our
that's why
couch.
the f you had me come in the goddamn car in the first place?
I could have definitely swooped the backwoods up for you. But you know, payback's a bitch. I think you said
I'm
that
talking about the
earlier.
other shit you said you wanted to do.
I think you said that earlier, that payback's a bitch. And her name Tati.
Oh.
Big Tati. Cuz. Pull in.
Move.
Oh, my mama.
No, you finna drink some of this
No,
shit.
on
Tasha,
everything I
Tasha.
love.
Everything you love what? Tasha, move.
Right.
Tasha, stop playing. You gonna drop the whole... Where
Yeah.
the soy sauce go?
Yeah, I took the soy sauce. I already snatched that up. I know how you get down. Yeah, I know how you get
Where the
down.
f the soy sauce go?
Okay, BT gang, like, comment, share, subscribe.
You the f abracadabra, you the f
Tiger,
witch.
period.
What earth signs is witches?
I'm not an earth sign. I'm a fire sign. My name don't get burned. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Click the bell. All that. Until next time.
Only
Tasha
element
down
your
in
ass
the
is-
section below. Yeah.
Only element your ass deserve is 6th element.
Bye, y'all.
You look like one of them motherfuckers.
Best friend, and my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all